Welcome to Looe, a popular seaside town in Cornwall, where the river meets the sea and life moves at a gentle coastal pace. Here at the mouth of the river, fishing boats bob in the water as it flows out into the open sea, framed by rugged headlands and the ever-changing blues of the horizon. We are starting on the quieter west bank. Passing by the Sardine Factory Café and the Harbour Moon Inn, there's a real sense of Looe's fishing heritage mixed with modern seaside charm. Crossing the bridge, you get one of the best views in Looe. Let's explore the busy town before we head off down to the beach. As we step into town, the atmosphere shifts. Narrow streets fill with visitors, the scent of fresh fish and chips in the air, and shops spilling out with Cornish treats and souvenirs. And just beyond the town, the sandy beach stretches out. Perfect for a paddle, a swim, or simply sitting back and taking it all in. On a warm day, families spread out across the sand, children play by the water's edge, and the gentle waves roll in under wide open skies. It's the kind of place where time slows down, whether you're enjoying an ice cream, watching the boats pass by, or just listening to the sound of the sea. A wander around the back streets reveals a quieter side of Looe. Hidden alleys, old stone buildings, and glimpses of everyday life away from the busy waterfront. Heading upriver to get the train back home, the scenery softens once more, with calm waters, passing boats, and a final look at this charming Cornish town. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more content.